27. Oh, I haven't seen her. Her plush. It's heavy. Is that igloo bag? No, it's not. Just a tote. 50. $45. 89. $80. I think it's cheaper than usual.
18 or 80?
80.
I want a brand new hat that looks beat up and old.
This one. Yeah. Oh, they say castle gummies. Yeah. Castle gummy, $7.50. How much is that? 4-pack crispy
16?
Although we don't have big thunder mountain now. The Christmas ornaments?
I don't know how much it is. No, it's $50.
Oh, I think it's for Christmas. Oh, he has a camera. Total sightseeing Mickey Mouse. Oh, 25. Oh, Goofy and Donald. $40. Oh, look at this. It has a tank. Emerald. 22. Castle. 22 as well. It's like a horseshoe.
Oh,
22 as well. Oh, that's cute. Like earbuds. 22. Why it has a price here? Or do they put like this? Oh, it's like frozen one. 27. Stitch. Size 9. So it means 22 as well. 22. $60. That's cute. It's only for kids. It's $40.
Little tiny.
Yeah, that's cute.
Look like M&M's or something.
Oh. $40. It's like a laser jacket. Yeah. Nitro aid.
Everything aid.
Oh, I thought that they don't have a handle, but they do. 20. Do you think it's kind of thermal?
No, it's just a stainless steel cup, like coffee and stuff.
Oh, look at this. It's kind of cute. But it's thick though. Oh, that's cute. Quality service. 70. Mufasa Hawaiian shirt.
No, I think it's just lion.
Yeah. Oh, he has a car. Can you see that? There. Oh, because of the stitches, it's heavy. Or maybe textile itself. Yeah.
That's some canvas stuff.
Yeah. How much? 65. Oh, that's cute. $32. But it's warm.
And it's a heavy jacket too.
Oh, it's simple design. Large adult. 30. It's kinda hard to use this shape, no? 35. $40. $28. Oh, Hulk. Oh, blue. Beach club? Yeah.
Japanese size.
25 to 27 centimeters. It's a little bigger.
Oh, it makes it yours. 20.
Oh, they come back.
Yeah.
Is it for Run Disney?
No, it's not for Run Disney, but you can use it for exercise clothes. That's why they have this little running bicycle.
40. T-shirt. Oh, that is cute. There is the lace. $40. A dress. $40. They have size. Extra small as well. Oh, look at this. Tank top. I don't know. Maybe we can put in a net, the laundry net. Weddings? Yeah, they say weddings. It's cute. I don't know how much it is. Oh, 70. But it is not for running shirt.
No, that's a t-shirt.
Oh, just a t-shirt. It's
Not
not
like a
pizza.
in my bath. It kind of sounds gross.
Arctic chill. Look at this, it's an ice cream bar. That's good. The watermelon. Wow. Oh, that's new. There's a llama. Oh, I thought it's a grape, but a lilac.
Is it lilac?
No, it's a lilac flower.
I think so.
Lip balm. 25.
Oh, I like that. No pets allowed. Oh, it's a museum.
They open it?
We can take a look real quick. They'll probably can close with the clothes, but.
He has a possum.
We need one.
Wow. Oh, hello. Tato. Hello, hello. Hi there. Hello. Bird. It's a quail. There's a frog. The green one. Yes, come here. Is he awake?
It looks like it. It's just hot, probably for him. So he's like, I'm just gonna sit here.
Oh, I thought that's a school, but I love it. Oh, here we go. Hello. Oh, yeah, this one. Oh, that's nice. It reminds me of Theodore Roosevelt. No, no Gatorland.
Oh, Roosevelt?
Oh,
a little bit.
in DC. Ah, maybe here.
It's a Virginia thing, is it really? Or it looks like the tree from Virginia.
I saw the tail.
It's probably not a bird, is it? Probably a squirrel.
Ah,
It's meant for birds, but squirrels take over there.
yeah.
But it's still too bright for fireflies, so. Oh, I was gonna say those things. Well, things I think are kind of extinct.
It must be a big tree.
He did a good job.
Oh, alligator sign.
I wonder if this whole area is going to be covered by it. Hello, sir.
Is that Virgil?
Yeah, I think so.
He's alone? Wow. Hello. Wow.
The little one, right? It's a real little one right here.
Oh, yes. There. Oh, can you see that? I think it's a mama gator. Can you see that something is floating? What is that thing?
That's an alligator.
It's alligator?
The big one, too.
Oh my, it's a big one.
So I can take your picture. You can have your own.
Where's he at? He's pretty cool looking.
I don't plan to ever watch The Boys, so you know, I've seen plenty, but
Wow, how many stars? A friend is coming.
It said on him.
Sauna friends.